Chandra with Raising the Barn Real Estate, where we go the extra mile in providing you pertinent and fun facts about today's industry. So today I'm going to focus on grants and down payment assistance programs. And the reason being is because over some of my videos, I would always mention about grants and down payment assistance programs, but I never went into detail about what is available out there. Now, I'm not going to give you an exhaustive list. However, if you do want to know all the programs that are available in your area, you can always log on to HUD.gov for more information. So starting off with the first one is the Home is Possible Down Payment Assistance Programs. Now, I'm going to talk about three of the programs that are under the umbrella of the Home is Possible Down Payment Assistance, which is going to be Home is Possible for Teachers, and Home is Possible for Heroes. So with the Home is Possible Down Payment Assistance, you can get up to 5% of the loan value, and it is usable for your down payment and your closing cost. Now, this loan is forgivable for up to 3 years as long as you stay in your home. So you have to stay in your home for 3 years for this loan to be totally forgiven. They do have an attractive 30-year interest rate. Financing is available for manufactured homes, and the borrower may not own another property at the time of closing. Now, for government loans, which are your FHA, VA, and USDA, the income limits are $98,500. If you are getting a conventional loan, the income limit is $67,800. Now, you need to make sure that when you purchase a home, it's not going to exceed $484,350. You need to make sure that you have a minimum credit score of 640. There are going to be underwriting requirements that you must meet. There is a one-time fee of $675, and of course there is going to be a home buyer's education course that is required. Now, on to the Home is Possible for Heroes. Some of the requirements are going to be exactly the same. Of course, you don't have to be a first-time home buyer for this one either. Only thing is that this can only be a VA or a USDA loan because it is a Home is Possible for Heroes. So if you are a veteran who has been honorably discharged, you are in the National Guard, surviving spouse, or you are in active military, this may be a great program for you. Now, for the Home is Possible for Teachers. This program is only available through December 31st, 2019. I do not know if they are going to extend it, so if you want to get in on this, please do so before December 31st, 2019. Now, the benefits about this is you can get $7,500 in bonus money, and it's also usable for down payment and closing costs. Now, this one, unlike the Home is Possible for Heroes and the Home is Possible Down Payment Assistance, is forgivable after 5 years. So you do have to stay in your home for 5 years. Of course, they have below market fixed interest rate for a 30-year loan. Once again, you do not have to be a first-time home buyer. And you must be a licensed K-12 public school classroom teacher in Nevada. Same income, $98,500. Same prices, $48,450. The only difference here is there has to be a minimum credit score of 660 with your FHA, and there has to be 640 for your VA or USDA loans. They do not do conventional loans. So of course the underwriting requirements, the one-time fee, home buyer's education course, so on and so forth is required. I'm going to put the website links at the end of this video for everything that I talked about. Now, the Culinary Housing Partnership. Now, the key elements includes there is a down payment assistance loan for up to $20,000, which has a 0% interest rate. Now, you do not have to pay back this loan unless you sell, rent, or refinance the property. So if you sell, rent, or refi the property, you have to pay the loan back at face value, but you still will have no interest. You must live in the house that you buy. You must contribute 3.5% down if it's an FHA mortgage or 1% down if it's conventional mortgage. Now, the combined income cannot exceed $92,010 for 1 to 3 persons in the home, or if it's 4 or more, it cannot exceed $106,250. Now, you will also be required to complete an orientation class, an 8-hour home buyer education course, and a one-on-one counseling session, but it's no cost to you. So you are allowed to pick out your own lender, and if you do not have a lender, they have a list of lenders that are available for you to choose from. You can always go onto culinary226.org/members/benefits/housing-partnership for more information. Now, funds are limited, so it is on a first-come, first-served basis. Now, the WISH program, which is Workforce Initiative Subsidy for Home Ownership. The key advantages to this program is it provides up to $22,000 for each participating household member, so it's a 4-to-1 match. So for instance, if I put down $5,000 and if I qualify, I can get $20,000, okay? And that will go towards the closing costs and the down payments. Now the allocation or the application process allocates funds for home ownership based on program eligibility. Now the deadlines and materials are typically posted on the bank's website at the beginning of the year. So to be eligible for the WISH funds, the home buyer must meet these criteria. You have to be enrolled in the WISH program. You must have successfully completed a home buyer counseling program. You must be a first-time home buyer. And at the time of enrollment in the WISH program, the home buyer has to meet the income eligibility guidelines. So you can, log on to fhlbsf.community/grant/wish-profile-.aspx or moneymanagement.org for more information. And the last one is the NACA program. The NACA program offers down payment and closing costs as well. And they have very low interest rates. They're actually considerably lower than some of the other programs that we have. Now, they don't have an income limit. However, if you make more than the median family income, you will be considered a non-priority member. And non-priority members can only purchase in the MSA, which is the Metropolitan Statistical Area, for a home. So you can log on to NACA.com for more information. Now, I just wanted to make sure that I gave you that information because there are grants out there that you can take advantage of, and we want to make sure that you have that knowledge. So before I end this, I really want to send a shout out to my sister. Today is her birthday. I want to say happy birthday, Katricia. I love you. May God bless you with many more. And, I'll talk to you a little bit later. So as always, my name is Chandra. And remember that small steps turn into big steps that turn the key to your new home. God bless.